I was always an average one in the school. You know that 60 to 75% ब्रैकेट. मैं कभी उसे पार ही नहीं कर पाया. कभी किसी क्लास में टॉप नहीं किया, ना ही किसी स्पोर्ट्स में. Now you know why. I even failed once and had to repeat. And it was terrible. But that really changed me. And I did much better in the later stages of my schooling. I was always a creator. I did much better job in creating something in arts, music, in performing arts like dance and theatre. That's what excited me the most. I knew my happiness lies there. But even if I was doing good at it, I was never entirely happy because there was always a constant pressure of putting more efforts in studies rather than what I really liked. So ultimately, I did average in both. That really took away a portion of my self-worth and confidence. You know, the realization of having the potential and not being able to do it, it's like you just lost something and you're not being able to find it. And the bigger problem being that you know it's somewhere around you. You just need to look for it. And once you find it, you'll be happy. I think that's what we think about happiness. We think it's around us, lying somewhere in something, and we just need to look for it. That's where the things get messed up. So I thought let's make a video about happiness. Happiness lies in those small moments which changes your life, your perspective, your identity. It's the unconditional love. It's the freedom to express and do what you love the most. It's in the moments which made you proud of what you are. I know it's overwhelming, but that's what it is. Happiness is not a destination, and the best way to experience it is to let it happen to you. The more we think about the absence of happiness in our life, the unhappier we become, because we create an unfulfilled void within us. We think fulfilling our desires will make us happier, but in a larger perspective, that's the root cause of all the stress and anxiety. A bigger house, a bigger car, a better job, a 65-inch OLED TV with smart functionality and inbuilt apps like YouTube, Hotstar, Netflix. Damn, that will make me happy. We buy stuff we desire, but that only brings a short period of gratification and contentment. For a short period of time, it can make you happy. But with the attainment of it comes the fear of losing it as well. So it's basically a paradox. Happiness is in gratitude. It's being thankful to God for what you already have. It's in the little things you ignore, like smiling back to someone, like catching the raindrops, or your favorite song on the radio, or midnight coffee dates. Just don't depend on something or someone for your happiness. Once you start accepting your present, you'll face your challenges strongly and more confidently. You let go of past regrets and future worries and be more in the current time. It's in giving. Now I know you simply can't make others happy. No guarantees there. But what you can do is be there for them, especially in the hour of need. Be kind and compassionate. Stop thinking only about what you can take from the world Rather, think about what you can give to this world. Serving to a higher purpose will always bring happiness. And once you start doing it, you'll feel much more empowered and happier. Creating these YouTube videos for myself and reaching out to you guys, having a platform to express what I want to say, gives me immense pleasure and happiness. So I thank you all for that. I wish you all the happiness of this world, and I wish you make the most out of this time. So I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. आइए दोस्तों, आज हम जानेंगे कि आप कैसे खुश हो सकते हैं। जानेंगे कुछ ऐसे अनोखे राज जो आपकी जिंदगी बदल देंगे। बहुत लेट हो गया है, सब सो रहे हैं, मैं भी जा रहा हूं। बाय। सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना।